A Singaporean here who is actually friendly. Singapore all year round, it's hot and it's humid. So when you come to Singapore, please don't rush it. Take it slow, gingerly. It's a wonderful place at times. Yes, it's expensive.
The windows closed, the fear and doubt. I stopped and turned, trying to find out.
So you come to Singapore, make sure you come with a big wallet. Because for a night, to stay in a hotel, it's freakishly expensive. Compared to countries nearby like Malaysia or Thailand, Singapore is a place you come to lavish. You come to spend and splash your cash. At the same time, if you find yourself in Marina Bay Sands, you relax, you take in this spectacular view. So you want to know what it's like being black in Singapore? Well, this is the episode I'll walk you through. And later try something I didn't expect to find in Singapore, Ramly Burger. So stay tuned for the long duration because this is going to be one epic chapter. To be honest, Singapore is a very diverse place, but I haven't seen my own people. Black people? What do you mean? I swear, I haven't stumbled to one yet. Probably, of course, I know for sure there's some here, but I know there's not a lot. 7-Eleven behind me, just to cool down, right? In Singapore, I got some fresh orange juice here. Well, one thing still remains the same, right? Seeing people like me, especially my skin color, my days, it's rare in Singapore as well. I don't know why I'm touching my face a lot, man. I'm just so tired, you understand? I've been out since this morning. You exhaust your body in such a way, of course, it can show, and I think I'm experiencing that here. Because there's a lot of them, different culture, different race, intertwined, collaborating, working together in such way, and it makes this place, on the outside, it looks pretty great, but when you look deep, right, it's not a super friendly place. You understand? It doesn't have that friendly vibe. Like, you know, I just feel like, based on my experience, I don't see a lot of people like me, right? I think it's alright. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just like relaxing, really, and yeah, no one is pointing fingers. And if you're a black person, you're watching this, wherever you're watching from, I would just say, just calm. Like, literally, it's not everywhere people treat you poorly, right? Like here in Singapore, of course, it's not a perfect place, right? Don't get me wrong, it's not like a paradise, you can't help. It's clean in some extent, and yeah, it has similar like pretty things, you know? I think it's a picturesque place, right? You know, I am not an egocentric kind of guy. I'm not trying to brag, but I think I'll say it's basically I know the city up and down now. It's a very small place, and I feel so relaxed and I feel free, and I don't have to worry about safety. You know, I know, of course, and when some people, when they look at someone like me, when I walk past them, maybe when I ask them for direction, when I have no Wi-Fi, they might feel slightly intimidated. They might say, why this black guy's talking to me? Do you know, they might feel a little bit like, oh, come on, I never had a black person. Inside, I know what they're saying. You never spoke to me before. How should I react? How should I behave? By nature, we're very we're very hyper kind of people, right? In a good way, do you know what I mean? We're full of spirit and full of good energy, and we're very friendly. You don't have to be scared. We're just like people like you and I, trust me, man. I am scared of the thing you're scared of. Snakes, I'm scared of that. Spiders, I'm scared of that. Yeah, cockroaches, oh, I'll go mental. Yeah, mosquito, my boy, I'll go bananas. Like literally, all the things you're scared of, I'm scared of. The things you like, yeah, rice. I like rice, noodles, I like that. You know, chicken, my favorite, by the way. And yeah, man, just traveling, I love that too. We are literally, it's just the color, it shouldn't be a problem, right? I think the most dangerous thing you'll find here in Singapore, probably, what is it really? Yeah, the food can be dangerous, right? If you eat too much, it's mad. Various food like you can try here, especially when you go to the Arca Centre, right? And I think also, yeah, the unfriendliness, that's the other thing like that bothering me a lot, man. I don't really like that bit, right? Other than that, like, I feel safe. I feel respected. I don't disrespect anyone. I respect people. I don't cross the line. I make sure I obey the law. Maybe not now. I'm not wearing face mask. I should be. But I was drinking water. You know, I'm exempt in this scenario. Racism in Singapore, it does exist. Have I experienced it? No. See the label there? That is Ramly Burger. You know, the thing is, like my emphasis, I like to twist things up a little bit, right? Food, great content, information, but at the same time, we live life a little bit. Let's try Ramly Burger. Oh, one of my favourite burger in Asia.
It's rare to find a Ramly Burger in Singapore because it's a Malaysian thing. When I saw the sign, my mind, in my head, everything just elevated. I'm in full of excitement and my belly is jumping. Say, you know what, get that. And that I shall. For those who would like to know what Ramly is, well, Ramly is a company. Ramly Burger is a phenomenal fast food that is so popular in Malaysia. Well, Ramly, maybe you want to know more. Well, it's a Malaysian frozen and fast food company founded by Ramly bin Mokni back in 1984. Honestly, only those who have been to Malaysia will understand how addictive, so good, so delicious, so messy this thing can be. Oh, look at those eggs. Ramly Burger is more like your homemade burger. You got the bun, the patty, whether it be chicken or beef, and of course the egg, the sweet seasoning sauce, and some ingredient I don't know about. Maybe, you know what, let's call it the secret ingredient. Yeah, this is life. But please watch out and get a napkin or a serviette, because this can rain on you, trust me.
A Singaporean here who is actually friendly. I'm just saying.
I would say most Singaporeans are still friendly.
Only few. I've been in Singapore for a bit, so I know when someone is actually friendly. So basically, this is absolutely a beauty. We've got a Ramly Burger. Oh my god, this is mad. Absolutely insane, you know. Oh, I am excited now, very excited. So basically, he was saying, like, you don't see this sort of thing here in Singapore because, you know, especially in this area, it's Ramly Burger. You don't barely gonna see it, but in Malaysia, surely it's the place. If you want to try Ramly Burger, surely you have to head to Malaysia. Oh, let's try this, buddies. Let's try this. I'm making a lot of mess already, isn't it? No math. I think I will spend 5 years here. I will still don't know how to eat this thing properly. Oh my god. It's just like the last time I tried it, where, for the taste might not be the same, but different environment, different country. But it's just like the same mess I'm making still. Look what I'm talking about mess. Look what I just did. I knew it. I made mess somewhere. Look, the thing just dripping down. This is mad. Oh my god, this is so messy. This is the most messy burger ever. Oh, I'm gonna eat like this. We're gonna eat in style, alright? Let's make it fun. Let's make the video fun. Relax, yeah? Cross your feet like that, you know? Basically, and relax. So tell me, what's your rating?
What's my rating?
Yeah.
I think this is not too bad. Maybe 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, I can take that, yeah. For Singapore standard,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
me
yes.
too. I think
It's better than McDonald's.
far better. I'll say that. But at McDonald's, let's face it, preparation, like in terms of packaging, yeah, I think McDonald's tick the boxes, right? But in terms of the actual taste, right, what you got it for, I'm telling you, right, it might be even slightly cheaper than McDonald's. Compare, Singapore is expensive, but in Malaysia, this is less than $4. I'm telling you, it's splendid, man. It's absolutely stupendous how juicy and you know, lovely, and you know, it makes me want to dance. Can I dance? I don't want to dance now. I don't want to embarrass myself here. You know, this is not good. Don't eat this thing all the time, okay? Because you're gonna put on a lot of weight.
Oh, I made a Singaporean friend who also adore and love this thing. Yeah, it might not taste the same like I remember back in Malaysia, but I have to be honest, it's good. I mean, really good. Of course, it's expensive compared to Malaysia, but you know, it's Singapore. You know, I'm not too surprised. But for the price, I'll tell you what, I'm quite impressed.